welcome back to the art palette. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cupcake. So I'm starting out by drawing a little swirl and then adding another one and then a huge swirl on top. I'm just going to do it the same on the other side and connect them. Now I'm adding some texture into the icing by drawing some swirly lines, and then for the wrapper I'm just drawing 2 lines and then a slightly curved line at the bottom to attach them. Then I'm adding some details. So I'm adding some zigzags all across the wrapper. And now attached to the zigzags, I'm adding lines from where the zigzag dips. Alright, now I'm adding some fold lines inside the wrapper for more details. Last but not least, I'm adding the cherry on top. Alright, so now that we've gotten the cupcake drawn, it's time to color. So to color the cupcake, you can really go with any theme you like. I am going with a rainbow themed, so I'm starting out with the red, moving on to orange, yellow, green, and blue for the wrapper.
Nobody that knows me like you do. Ain't nobody who makes me feel this way. Yeah, got no worries, no worries about anything, 'cause I know you're always there. When I'm out there in the darkest place, worn and tired, I can still see you illuminate all my skies. When it feels like I fall into.
Now that I've done my wrapper, I'm going to color the actual cake part. So I'm coloring mine brown because I love chocolate. You can do any flavor you wish. If you like vanilla, you can do it like a peach color. I'm leaving my icing white because I love vanilla icing. You can, color it pink if you like strawberry icing, or yellow if you like lemon. Next, I'm just adding some sprinkles on top. Alright, you guys, that is how I draw this cupcake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.